minds, welcome back to AG Updates. Let's see what's shaking the world today. Did you know there's a festival so massive it brings together more than the entire population of Japan, and you can even see it from space? It's called the Mahakumbh Mela, and it's happening right now in Prayagraj from January 13th to February 26, 2025. Let me take you on an incredible journey to discover why this festival is so magical. Long ago, there was an epic event called the Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean. Imagine this: the gods and demons, who were usually sworn enemies, decided to team up for something extraordinary. They wanted to churn the mighty ocean to find hidden treasures and, most importantly, the nectar of immortality called Amrit. Drinking this magical nectar would make anyone who drank it live forever. But how do you churn an entire ocean? They used Mount Mandara as the churner, resting it on the back of a giant tortoise named Kurma, who was an avatar of Lord Vishnu. And instead of a regular rope, they used a giant serpent called Vasuki. As the gods pulled one side and the demons pulled the other, the ocean started revealing its treasures, magical gems, divine creatures, and even the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, emerged from the waters. Finally, the precious Amrit appeared, but as soon as it did, a fierce battle broke out between the gods and the demons over who would drink it. During this battle, a few drops of nectar spilled into four sacred places on earth: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. These drops made these locations very holy, and that's why the Mahakumbh Mela is celebrated there every 12 years. Now, let me tell you why it's every 12 years. After the nectar appeared, the gods wanted to protect it from the demons, so they ran for 12 celestial days, which equals to 12 years on earth. The sun, moon, and Jupiter aligned to follow the gods and shield them from harm. This special alignment happens every 12 years, creating powerful spiritual energy. But the Mahakumbh Mela, like the one happening right now, is even rarer. It happens only once every 144 years. This once in a lifetime event happens when Jupiter, the Sun, and the Moon align in the zodiac sign of Leo, creating an even stronger spiritual energy. The last Kumbh Mela happened in 1881, and now we are in 2025. We are lucky to witness it again. Isn't it amazing to think we are part of something that happens so rarely? And this festival isn't just rare, it's massive. Over 1 million people are expected to attend this year. That's more than the entire population of Japan or even Germany. Can you imagine all these people coming together in one place? The festival stretches over 10,000 acres, which is like 7,500 football fields combined. And guess what? It's so huge and vibrant that you can even see the glowing rivers and colorful tents from space. One of the most important rituals of the Mahakumbh Mela is the holy dip in the sacred rivers, the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati. It's believed that bathing in these rivers during the festival washes away sins, brings blessings, and gives you a fresh start. Imagine standing in the cool water at sunrise, surrounded by the sound of prayers and chants. It's a cool, magical moment of faith and hope for millions of people. But that's not all. The Mahakumbh Mela is also filled with grand processions of saints and spiritual leaders riding on elephants and chariots. These are colorful markets selling crafts and delicious food, cultural performances with music and dance, and so many stories to hear. It's like stepping into a vibrant, living fairy tale. And here's something super cool. The Kumbh Mela is so unique and important that it's been recognized by UNESCO as part of the world's intangible cultural heritage. This means it's not just India's pride, but a global treasure. So young minds, isn't the Mahakumbh Mela incredible? From the epic story of the Samudra Manthan to the fascinating celestial alignments and the sheer size of the event, it truly is one of the greatest wonders of the world. What do you think about this amazing celebration? Would you like to visit it one day? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to AG Updates for more amazing stories. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe and see you soon.